guys, ayan, dumplings tayo for lunch. Fried dumpling. Yummy dumplings. Thank you for watching, guys. Ayan guys, luto na ang ating dumplings. Ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng liquid seasoning. Ayan. Soy sauce. Ayan. Spicy. Let's eat. Yummy. So guys, ang ating dumplings. Yummy.